Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow this plant, the Oxalis triangularis, from corms and how to get the corms back again after a grow season. You can grow this plant indoors and outdoors. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. First, you need to get yourself some Oxalis corms. For indoor planting, fill pots to about 3 cm below the edge with your preferred potting soil. Plant the corm with its downside in the soil. You can recognize the butt of the corm by the fact that it's larger than the top side. The top side looks more pointy. Plant multiple corms in a pot. Give them some space to grow. Fill up the pot with a layer of soil until the corms are nicely covered. Fill an extra pot if you still have some corms to spare. Water the top layer now and water weekly after planting. Outdoor planting of the Oxalis is almost the same as indoors. Use a pot with a drainage hole. Fill it up with potting soil but leave some room at the top. Plant the corms with their downside in the pot. Spread them around evenly. I use around 10 corms for a pot this size. Cover with a layer of soil and water. After a few weeks you can see that from the corms multiple leaves and some flowers have grown. If you want even more plants, you can propagate the leaves. Cut the petiole of a leaf in half and put the leaf with the petiole in a glass of water. You can cut away the remaining petioles. The petiole in the pot will die down and eventually fall off. The cuttings will root in a few weeks. Rooted cuttings can be placed in potting soil in a new pot. At the end of the growth season, or just when you want to harvest the corms, you can take the whole plant out of the pot. Remove all the remaining soil from the roots and corms. You can see that new corms have formed. Remove all the leaves and petioles from the corms. I use a small pair of pruning scissors for this. Prepare the corms for storage by removing the remaining living parts and the roots. Translucent corms can also be removed. They have a risk of rotting in storage. Store the corms in a paper bag in a dry, cold room. Thank you for watching this video on how to grow the Oxalis triangularis. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!